Medscape, a leading online source for news and training for medical professionals, came to Excalibur Exhibits with a challenge. The organization needed a more effective and convenient way to videotape medical professionals who attend trade shows. Typically, these experts had to be transported to a hotel near the exhibit hall to record their information. It was time-consuming and expensive. The doctors weren't very happy to leave the show floor, and Medscape was focused on finding a different solution. Our solution was to create a soundproof recording studio as part of Medscape's exhibit. This way, experts could be recorded within the soundproof recording studio right on the exhibit floor. We designed the studio and began sourcing the proper materials to use in fabrication. The goal was to create a quiet space for professional recording and eliminate all the extraneous show noise from the exhibit hall. The exhibit came together seamlessly, and Medscape was thrilled to be able to quietly and efficiently capture important news and training from medical professionals who visited their exhibit on the trade show floor. Medscape and the medical professionals now save time and are able to record high-quality video every time they attend major trade show events.